Hello friends, welcome to another video. It's Blessing Anyam here. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious fried rice. Like, the color is popping. I just love how attractive it looks. Sit tight and watch. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to season the chicken. I've added some curry, onions, ginger, thyme, salt, habanero pepper, and some chicken seasoning. I used fresh ginger. So I'm just going to be putting this generously in the pot and would allow it to cook until the chicken is properly done. So guys, at this point we've just added our vegetable oil and onions and sauteed for like a minute, and I'm adding my frozen veggies. You can use any veggies of your choice. I'm using red bell peppers, carrots, green bell peppers, and I think some corn, sweet corn. Yeah, so I'm just going to be stirring this, like pan frying it on low heat. Remember to always cook on low heat so that you can have all the seasonings and all the aroma and flavor blend properly together. So right now I'm going to be adding some seasoning cubes because we want these vegetables to have some taste. So we're going to be seasoning it with some seasoning cubes and some curry and some other stuffs. I'm going to put a list of all the ingredients in the description box so that you can replicate the recipe. Okay. So guys, this is the meat stock I used in boiling the chicken. I transferred it to this other pot, and I'm going to be adding my washed rice. I just washed the rice with cold water, and I'll be boiling the rice with the meat stock. Okay, this step is very, very important. Don't skip it. All right, so right now we have our pan toasted or pan fried veggies, and I'm adding the rice. The rice is already boiled. You just boil the rice until it's about done, like done. Then you can mix it up with your vegetables. I just love how attractive this rice looks, and trust me guys, it tastes so great, so delicious. The aroma was just given. Seriously, if you've not tried making fried rice before, try this recipe and come back with your testimony. Okay. Alright, so at this point, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. And I would love to see you guys always coming back to watch my videos. And let me know if you have any questions or if you have any comments, just drop it down. I would love to read your comments, okay? So what do you think about this rice? How are you going to rate it? The rice was so delicious, like very, very delicious. When I mean delicious, it was delicious. Trust me, guys. So this is just the basic, like a very simple method of making fried rice. I have other recipes that I'll be sharing with you guys later. But for now, you guys just enjoy this recipe. If you try it out, let me know. If you have any further questions, let me know in the comment section, okay? So this is it. I'm done cooking. My chicken is grilling in the oven, and this took me just a very short time to prepare. Very, very short time to prepare. So this is the final product, and maybe you guys can rate it in the comment section and tell me what you think about this beautiful fried rice. It looks so delicious, and it is delicious. So guys, I ate mine with some salad, and the combination was just beautiful. I hope you will try this recipe. See you in my next video. Bye.